Unit 1 Accounts from Incomplete Records. Sum number 7. They prepared for Statement of Affairs and Statement of Income and Profit account. 1st April 2018, Subhas started her business with a capital of 1,20,000. Started capital means opening capital. So next we prepare for the following books as 31/3/2019. Bank overdraft liabilities account, debtors assets account, bills receivable assets account, computer assets account, machinery assets account, stock in trade assets account, creditors liabilities account, bills payable liabilities account, cash in hand assets account. During the year, withdraw rupees 30,000 for personal use. Withdraw means drawings 30,000. She introduced further capital 40,000 during the year. Further capital means additional capital to calculate for profit or loss account. The first prepare for in the books of Subham Statement of Affairs as on 3/2018. So liabilities account and assets account. The Statement of Affairs format page number 10ல இருக்கு. அதை ஃபாலோ பண்ணிக்கோங்க, ஈஸியா இருக்கும் உங்களுக்கு. So first one, bank overdraft 50,000, creditors 90,000, bills payable 2,40,000, asset side debtors 1,80,000, bills receivable 70,000, computer 30,000, machinery 3 lakhs, stock in trade 1,60,000, cash in hand 60,000. asset side add பண்றோம் 8 lakhs வருது. liability sideல add பண்ணா 3,80,000 வருது. capital கண்டுபிடிக்க assets minus liabilities. assets minus liabilities 8 lakh minus 3,80,000, balance 4,20,000. The 4,20,000 capital 3/2019 ஓட value 4,20,000. இப்ப total பண்ணா 8 lakhs. ரெண்டு சைடும் ஈக்குவலா வரும். இப்ப ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ண வேண்டியது நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் ஆஃப் ப்ராஃபிட் ஆர் லாஸ் ஃபார் த இயர் என்டர்ட் 31/3/2019. capital at the end, closing capital 31/3/2019. இப்ப கண்டுபிடிச்ச வேல்யூ 4,20,000. add drawing 30,000. 4,20,000ல 30,000 add பண்ணா 4,50,000 less additional capital, further capital 40,000. ரெண்டையுமே subtract பண்ணா 4,10,000. adjusted closing capital, இந்த value adjusted closing capital less opening capital 1/4/2018 1,20,000. it's a started business கொடுத்திருக்காங்களா, அந்த capital தான் opening capital 1,20,000. இதை subtract பண்ணினா 2,90,000. 4,10,000ல 1,20,000 subtract பண்ணா 2,90,000 is a profit. இந்த sum இதோட முடியுது. Thank you.